Good cup of tea. Us English love our tea. Ah, well actually, this is an announcement video, so I better get to it. I'm going to try and set the seam a little bit. Actually works really well, but this one doesn't. And there was a time where this worked perfectly, around 40 years ago, when I was a kid, and I filled my youth playing with Star Wars toys. I was always at my happiest when I was recreating elements of those movies, or news stories with my friends. I've spent most of my life in some way recreating parts of Star Wars, most of the time virtually in a computer. And this brings me to my announcement. I'm going to take my garage and I'm going to turn it into a Star Wars set. And by set I mean something that you would imagine seeing when you walk onto the set of a Star Wars film. I'm calling it the Rebel Base because Rebels are renowned for scouring the galaxy for all sorts of different things, couple those together to make a meaningful, practical home. From a prop building point of view, it means I can borrow from all sorts of different themes within the Star Wars universe. If I want to have a Millenium Falcon seating area in the corner of the room, I can do that. If I want a lightsaber workbench that will double as my prop bench, I can do that too. But for me, that's exciting. I can take all of those different themes and mesh them together into one cool Star Wars location. I'm going to be creating as many build videos as I can. Sprinkled throughout will be smaller prop videos where I'm building different droids, all sorts of little details that I'm going to be using in that room. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Next week, May the 4th, you're going to see episode 1, A Greeblies story. So guys, please tune in and I'll see you then. Oh, one more thing. May the Force be with you.